eye contact secrets backed by psychology that will instantly boost your social confidence. Have you ever talked to someone and instantly felt small? Like your confidence just vanished the moment they looked at you? Maybe your eyes darted away, your mind went blank, or you suddenly felt like you weren't good enough to hold the moment. Here's the truth most people never hear. Your eye contact tells the world who you are before you ever say a word, and if you don't control it, it controls you. Psychologists have proven again and again that the way you look at someone doesn't just influence how they see you. It literally changes how you feel about yourself. Eye contact can raise your confidence, make you appear more attractive, increase your influence, and even trigger respect from people who normally dismiss you. In this video, you're going to discover 10 psychology-backed eye contact secrets that can instantly transform the way people respond to you, and more importantly, the way you respond to yourself. If you've ever felt socially anxious, awkward, or invisible, these tools will flip the switch. By the time you reach the end, you'll understand exactly how to use your eyes as a powerful confidence weapon, natural, subtle, and highly effective. Main content: 10 eye contact secrets backed by psychology. 1. The 50-70 rule, the foundation of natural confidence. Most people either stare too much, which feels aggressive, or look away too quickly, which sends signals of insecurity. Psychology research shows a sweet spot: 50% eye contact while speaking, 70% eye contact while listening. This dynamic instantly makes you appear confident, respectful, and engaged. It prevents you from overwhelming people or disappearing in the moment. When you hold eye contact as the listener, something powerful happens. The other person subconsciously feels safe, valued, and understood. This creates trust, and trust is the foundation of social confidence. 2. Use the triangle technique so you never feel awkward again. If direct eye contact feels intense, use the face triangle. Left eye, right eye, mouth. Move your gaze gently between these 3 points every few seconds. This keeps your eye contact natural and confident without staring. People will sense presence, not pressure. Your brain will also relax because this form of eye contact feels softer, giving your confidence room to grow. 3. The power pause, secret weapon for influence. Confident people don't rush, they don't fill every silence, and they don't break eye contact the second things get intense. The power pause works like this. Before you respond, hold eye contact for 1 extra second, then speak. This tiny psychological cue communicates composure, authority, self-assuredness. People listen more, respect you more, and take your words more seriously, all from a 1-second pause. 4. Unlock the dominance gaze without being intimidating. Research from social psychology shows that maintaining steady eye contact while keeping your head slightly tilted up creates an instant perception of strength and control. Animals do this as instinct. Humans respond to it the same way. You don't have to stare people down. Simply keep your chin level, spine tall, and eyes steady. It communicates unspoken leadership. This is the type of gaze CEOs, politicians, and influencers master. You can too. 5. The soft eyes technique. Attraction plus warmth. If you're afraid of looking too intense, try this. Relax your eyelids. Slightly lower your eyebrows. Breathe gently. Your eyes soften, your face softens, and people instantly feel more comfortable around you. Soft eyes signal openness, warmth, emotional safety, confidence without aggression. This is especially powerful in dating, networking, and meeting new people. Soft eyes make people want to stay in the moment with you. 6. Mirror their eye contact rhythm. Psychology calls it attunement. Humans love people who feel like us. When you subtly match someone's eye contact pattern, how long they hold it, how often they glance away, your brains sync. This creates effortless rapport. It reduces awkwardness. It makes conversations flow without force. You're signaling on a subconscious level. We're similar. We understand each other. And people naturally trust those they feel aligned with. 7. Look away. Slowly, not quickly. Critical confidence secret. When insecure people look away, they tend to snap their eyes to the side quickly. Psychology tells us the brain interprets this as nervousness, guilt, fear, low status. Instead, practice slow disengagement. Move your gaze away gently, then return calmly. This one change can dramatically shift how confident you appear. Slow movements equals emotional control. Fast movements equals emotional discomfort. 8. Anchor your eyes in purpose. Don't search the room. Have you ever seen someone whose eyes constantly scan left, right, down, up, as if they're searching for an escape route? This behavior communicates insecurity, distraction, lack of confidence. A powerful alternative is to anchor your eyes. Choose a direction or point when you're thinking or pausing, and hold it. Then return to eye contact when speaking again. Clean eye movement equals clean confidence. 9. The smile plus eye contact combo, instant likability boost. A smile without eye contact looks fake. Eye contact without a smile can look cold. But when you combine both at the same time, even for a split second, you create what psychologists call the trust signal. It communicates confidence, approachability, positive energy, authenticity. People's mirror neurons light up. They relax. Your presence becomes inviting instead of intimidating. 10. Train your eye contact the same way athletes train their muscles. Confidence in eye contact is not genetic. It's a skill. And like any skill, it improves through repetition. Here's a simple daily exercise used in social confidence therapy. Look into a mirror. Hold eye contact with yourself for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Your brain gets comfortable with intensity. You desensitize fear. You strengthen your emotional tolerance. Do this every day for 30 days and your social confidence will transform without forcing anything, without faking anything. Bonus psychology insights to accelerate your confidence. Confidence comes from exposure, not perfection. If you avoid eye contact, you teach your brain to fear it. If you lean into it slowly, your brain learns safety. People judge you more on your presence than your words. Eye contact creates the perception of competence and credibility instantly. The way you use your eyes shapes the way you feel inside. If you hold eye contact, your body automatically shifts into a confident, physiological state. Eye contact isn't just communication, it's identity. CTA. If you found these psychology-backed secrets helpful and you're ready to take your social confidence to a higher level, make sure you watch the full video, because inside we go deeper, with real-world examples and step-by-step training you can start using today. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more psychology-based confidence tools, and check out the playlist below for deeper videos on body language, eye contact mastery, and building unstoppable self-confidence. Your transformation doesn't start someday. It starts the moment you decide to take control of how you show up, and today is that moment.